Hello guys, welcome to yet another wonderful session of learning with Prepclass. My name is Tutor Olalekon Israel, your Prepclass English tutor, and I am super excited to have you join me in today's session of learning. Now in today's session, we will be answering questions from the Jamb English 2013 past question. We will be answering questions 56 to 60. Remember, the purpose of this session is to help you prepare for your forthcoming Jamb examination. So, without wasting much time, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification so you can be notified whenever we upload any new content. Alright, let's begin. Now for questions 56 to 60, there is an instruction. The instruction reads, in each of the questions 56 to 60, choose the option nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. In each of the questions 56 to 60, choose the option nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. Question 56 reads, Ayodeji is an ardent supporter of education for the girl child. Ayodeji is an ardent supporter of education for the girl child. Now, the word in italics here is ardent. So we are to select the option nearest in meaning to ardent. Option A cogent. Option B, a passionate. Option C, an ignorant. Option D, an optimistic. So which of these options is the nearest in meaning to ardent? Now, the word ardent refers to what? Being fervent. It means to be fervent, to show strong feelings or emotions. Ayodeji is an ardent supporter of education for the girl child. He is a fervent supporter of education for the girl child. Now, it is not cogent. Cogent means to be important. The nearest in meaning to ardent is passionate. Passionate means having, showing or caused by strong feelings or beliefs, to be fervent, to be zealous. Ayodeji is a passionate supporter of education for the girl child. He is ready to go all out to support education for the girl child. He is an ardent supporter. Now, it is not ignorant. Ignorant means to be lacking in knowledge. It is not optimistic. Optimistic means to be hopeful. The answer is option B, a passionate. The nearest in meaning to ardent is a passionate. Ayodeji is an ardent supporter of education for the girl child. He is a passionate supporter of education for the girl child. Alright, moving on, question 57. Remember, we have to select the option nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. Question 57 reads, the scholar's epitaph was demolished. The scholar's epitaph was demolished. The word in italics here is epitaph. So which option is the nearest in meaning to epitaph? Option A, embodiment. Option B, farmland. This should be farmland, not farmland. Farmland. Option C, book. Option D, monument. So which of these options is the nearest in meaning to epitaph? What is an epitaph? Now, an epitaph is something by which a person, time or event will be remembered. An epitaph is something by which a person, time or event will be remembered. It is a phrase or form of words written in memory of a person who has died, especially as an inscription on a tombstone. Like by the graveside on the tombstone, it is an inscription on a tombstone. It is something that by which you used to remember a person, a time, or an event. It is not embodiment. The word embodiment means someone or something that represents a quality or an idea exactly. Now, it is not farmland. This is a land used for farming. It is not book. A book is a written or printed work consisting of pages glued or sewn together along one side and bound in covers. A bound set of blank sheets for writing in. The nearest in meaning to epitaph is monument. A monument is a statue, building, or other structure erected to commemorate a notable person or event. An epitaph is something by which a person, time, or event will be remembered. A monument is a statue, building, or other structure erected to commemorate a notable person or event, to remember a notable person or event. Now, monument. A monument is a statue or other structure placed over a grave in memory of the dead. Now, epitaph, it is a phrase or form of words written in memory of a person who has died, especially as an inscription on a tombstone. So, the nearest in meaning to epitaph is monument. Alright, moving on, question 58. Remember, we have to select the option nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. Question 58 reads, Muhammad does his work with so much ardor. Muhammad does his work with so much ardor. The word in italics here is ardor. So which option is the nearest in meaning to ardor? Option A, discouragement. Option B, knowledge. Option C, indifference. Option D, enthusiasm. Ardor means great enthusiasm or passion. It means zeal. Muhammad does his work with so much ardor, with so much enthusiasm, with so much passion, with so much zeal. It is not discouragement. Discouragement refers to a loss of confidence or enthusiasm, dispiritedness, depression. It is not knowledge. Knowledge means facts, information, and skills acquired through experience or education. It means awareness or familiarity gained by experience of a fact or situation. It is not indifference. The word indifference means a lack of interest, a lack of concern, a lack of sympathy. It means mediocrity. Now, the nearest in meaning to ardor is enthusiasm. Enthusiasm means doing something with intense and eager enjoyment, doing something with interest or approval. So, ardor means what? Great enthusiasm, passion or zeal. Enthusiasm means doing something with intense and eager enjoyment, with intense interest or approval. So the nearest in meaning to ardor is enthusiasm. Muhammad does his work with so much ardor, with so much enthusiasm, with so much passion, with so much zeal. Right. Moving on, question 59. Remember, we have to select the option nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. Question 59 reads, the athlete is proud to be in the vanguard of sports development. The athlete is proud to be in the vanguard of sports development. The word in italics here is vanguard. So, which option is the nearest in meaning to vanguard? Option A, leading position. Option B, destructive position. Option C, emerging position. Option D, unforgettable position. Now, in this context, the vanguard refers to a group of people who lead the development of new ideas. When you say someone is a vanguard, the person leads the development of new ideas or a leading position in the development of something. So, the athlete is proud to be in the vanguard of sports development. What? In the leading position in the development of sports. So, the answer is option A, leading position. When you are in the vanguard, you are in the leading position of a development. Alright, moving on, question 60. Nwankwo was on the verge of signing a 2-year contract with the club. Nwankwo was on the verge of signing a 2-year contract with the club. The word in italics here is verge. So which option is the nearest in meaning to verge? Option A, brink. Option B, summit. Option C, height. Option D, shore. Now, verge means edge. Nwankwo was on the edge of signing a 2-year contract with the club. It means to be very close. Nwankwo was very close to signing a 2-year contract with the club. The nearest in meaning to verge is brink. When you are at the brink of something, you are at the edge of it. Nwankwo was on the brink of signing a 2-year contract with the club. He was on the verge. He was very close. When you are on the brink, you are very close. You are at the edge of something. So the answer is option A. The nearest in meaning to verge is brink. Nwankwo was on the verge of signing a 2-year contract with the club. Nwankwo was on the brink of signing a 2-year contract with the club. Alright, and with that we've come to the end of this wonderful session. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. Do not forget to drop your questions in the comment section. Also, share this content with your friends and loved ones. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.